I'm Damon from Acoustics Solutions Store, and today we're in our new content hub. We're going to be filming our videos, our Q&As around these materials, and as you can hear, it's got a really long RT, reverberation time. So we're going to fit some Ortex materials, a couple of cascade screens, friction fit some 24mm cube to the glass wall, run some raft up on the ceiling and get some printed peel and stick cube on the wall, and that will bring the space down to the RT we need to use it as a content hub, and it's going to illustrate why acoustics work in this space. Okay team, I've had a busy morning, but we are here in our completed content hub, and as you can hear, a significant reduction in echo, and hopefully you guys can understand that when we specify materials, we do an acoustic appraisal, and we come up with the science behind this proposal, we can then treat to an industry standard like what we've done for this space. We've got a completed content hub, we've got printed cube, we've got cascade screens with our own logos cut out, we've got raft up on the ceiling, and an excellent wave picture over there, which again is printed cube. So guys, get in touch if you need it. We can do an acoustic appraisal if you need it for your space. Otherwise, get online, check it out, and let us know if you need anything.